Morning everyone, welcome to our next golden ticket assembly on Friday the 8th of May, which is a beautiful, beautiful sunny morning and day. I hope you're getting outside, really enjoying that sunshine, because I tell you, that is probably the best you possibly could do for your mental health, for your well-being. So do please, while the weather is really, really lovely, try and get outside, try and enjoy it. And this morning we've got our golden ticket assembly for nursery reception year 1 and year 2. And we're also giving some shout outs from children who've been posting loads on Tapestry. So we're going to start off in nursery, and in nursery you will see these children. Miss Wright has been so impressed with Jackson, Harley, Georgia, we've got Mason, Lily, Ava, Keeley, Emily, Esme and Jensen, all working so hard, enjoying the outside as well, doing lots of cooking, getting out on their bikes, doing lots and lots of exercise. Thank you guys, keep posting lots and lots on Tapestry. I know Miss Wright's really impressed with every single one of you, so please keep it up. Nursery's golden ticket this week goes to... Here she is, look, there's Matilda. Well done, Matilda, you superstar. This golden ticket is winging its way to you in the post very shortly. Fantastic, they're doing your sounds at. You can see that really clearly. Well done, hun, really well deserved. Look out for that coming to the post. You little superstar. Keep posting on Tapestry, keep up that really good work, because it's fantastic to see. And I know Miss Wright was so impressed with you. So well done, Matilda, you superstar. Congratulations. Moving on to reception. In reception, we have in Turtle class, you'll see again, look at these children here. We've got Max, we've got Scarlett P, Jack, Lily, Scarlett P, we've got Tasnim, Caden, Bartos, Noah, Vitteris, Mason, Beatrice, all in Turtle class, all working really hard. You can see. Do you know what's really lovely as well? It's just every single photo that you guys are posting, there's smiley faces. It just makes me so happy. Please keep it up to see all those really smiling faces. But for Turtle class, the golden ticket this week goes to, you'll see, Caden, well done, buddy. Look out for this. This is winging its way in the post to you. You are working so hard. Keep it up, buddy. I know Miss Arnold is so impressed with everything you're putting on Tapestry. Please keep it up. And this is winging its way in the post to you very shortly. Huge congratulations, buddy, and keep up all the really good work. We're going to move on now. Here we go, look at Miss Hall's superstars. These are amazing, the amount of work that you guys are putting on here. We've got Tudor, we've got Lola May, Orson, Alex, Eliza, Nikita, Ava, Casey May, Freddie, Scarlett, Logan, Ben, Olivia, all having shout outs this week because of the amazing amount of work you guys are putting on Tapestry. It's just, all of you, heads down, working feverishly, working so hard. Please do keep that up. But Miss Hall's golden ticket this week goes to Woody, well done, buddy. Honestly, you are posting so much. I know Miss Hall is so impressed with everything that you are doing. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Daddy. Please keep it up. Look out for this winging its way to you in the post. Huge congratulations and really well deserved, Woody. Keep it up, buddy. Lovely smiley face there as well, so thank you. That's cheering me up as well. Moving on, we've got in year 1, Miss Ruffle. Miss Ruffle has been so impressed with these children. If you have a look, we've got Luke, we've got Oliver, we've got Jordan, Cooper, Esme, Ruby, Levi, Muntaha, Luca, Tyler and Rosie. Again, look at those smiling faces. I've never seen so many smiling faces doing so much work. It is brilliant, guys. Please keep posting on Tapestry. And it just looks fantastic. And all the different things, all the range that you guys are doing, it's fantastic. And I know Miss Ruffle is so impressed with every single one of you, so well done. But Miss Ruffle's golden ticket this week goes to Sky. Well done, Sky. Superb, hun. Look at you. Brilliant. Lovely smiling face again there. Look out for this golden ticket. It's so well deserved. And again, Miss Ruffle's saying how much you've been posting, how much you've been doing your reading, your writing, your maths. Please do keep it up. Thank you, Mum. Thank you so much for all your hard work and keeping up with that work on Tapestry. Well done, Sky. Look out for that in the post. It's winging to you shortly. Miss Begum's class, here we go. Miss Begum's got some amazing superstars again. Here we go. We've got Lee, we've got Leah, Rion, Raman, Esma, Mia, Olivia, Robbie, Jake, Mia May, Perla and Jacob there. All of you working so hard. I know Miss Begum was so impressed again. Lots of smiling faces. You can see Robbie really concentrating on his maths there. I think Jacob's just about to eat that gingerbread. He's got hold of that one. It's not running away anywhere. But fantastic work from every single one of you. Thank you, guys. Keep posting, keep working as you're doing. It's really lovely to see. And again, lots of lovely smiling faces. But Miss Begum's golden ticket goes to Ebony fit. Well done, Ebony, you little superstar. Look out for this, winging its way. You have been working so hard. Well done, hun. You and your sister have done brilliantly, both to get a golden ticket this week. So really well done, hun. Keep up the amazing work and look out for this, winging its way to you in the post. It will be with you very shortly. Moving on to year 2. Now we can see Miss Howkins, superstar. You'll see some of Lexi there, holding a plank. Amazing. Doing that exercise, getting outside. As I said at the beginning of the assembly, really enjoying the sunshine. Alfie, Mia, Joseph, Molanike, Savannah, and Pandora. All of you guys working so hard. And I know Miss Howkins is really impressed with you guys, so please keep up. Lots of smiling faces. And the amount of work has been phenomenal, so well done. Miss Howkins' golden ticket this week goes to Mahir, well done, buddy. Do you know what? You can just about see that top picture there, which is a nice cutout that he made with his sister of the school. It was really lovely to see that. You've got that. It looks just like the school as well. It's brilliant, buddy, and your lovely rainbow as well. But amazing amount of work. Keep it up. It's fantastic to see you and how hard you're working. Congratulations here. Look out for this in the post. It's winging its way shortly to you. Really well deserved. Moving on to Mrs. Cook's class. Mrs. Cook has got an amazing group of superstars. You look at this, great one. You've got Abe, you've got Marshall, Diego looking really proud of himself there, giving himself a little fist up. Heather, Reese, Tilly, Ruby, Alea and Beren, all deserving shout-outs because of the amazing amount of work. Look at Beren's writing in the top corner there, just phenomenal. Year 2s, you've been working so hard, and I know Mrs. Cook has been so impressed with you guys, so please do keep it up. And massive shout-outs to all of you. Thank you, parents, as well, for keeping on posting on Tapestry. It's lovely to see. Lots of smiling faces again. But Mrs. Cook's golden ticket, the final one for this morning, goes to Abe! Well done, Abe! Look out for this, buddy, in your shelter there. I love this den. It is a brilliant, right, well, I'd love to be there and play in that den. It looks fantastic. Look out for this golden ticket. It's winging its way into your post. Well done, Abe. Big thumbs up from me as well. I know you're giving thumbs up there. So huge congratulations. Look out for that in the post. Thank you, Mum and Dad. Thank you for keeping on posting on Tapestry. Finally, just leaves me to say, just keep it up, everyone. Please keep smiling. Keep up all the good work. I am so proud of every single one of you. I really am. We don't know what holds and what's coming in the news shortly, but obviously at the moment, stay safe, stay in, and stay well. And until next time, bye-bye, everyone.